Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and initiating the update now. Check File About to note your current Power BI desktop version and make sure Windows is updated so dependencies match. Once done, close Power BI and terminate any PBID processes in Task Manager to avoid file locks. Make a quick backup of critical PBIX files to cloud or external drive. This prevents data loss if an installer prompts for migration. Now open the Microsoft Store or installer to begin downloading the update. You'll proceed to the core installation steps and handle common decision points. If you use the Microsoft Store, click Update to let it replace files automatically. This preserves your settings. For manual control, download the latest installer, run it as administrator, and choose Upgrade or Repair when the wizard appears so configuration stays intact. Watch the installer progress. If prompts ask to close apps, comply. Once the installer finishes, restart your machine to finalize driver or dependency changes before opening Power BI Desktop. You'll complete the update and validate functionality, then respond to issues if they occur. Open Power BI Desktop, confirm the new version in File About, and load a representative report to test visuals, queries, and data connections. Make sure gateways or credentials reconnect. If you encounter crashes or missing visuals, check the local log folder and the installer log for error codes, then reinstall or run the repair option. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the Analysis Services Workspaces folder and restart Power BI to resolve workspace lock conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.